birthday. Oh no. $7.18 for 9.7 miles. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do that one, but thank you for the opportunity. Boom, who is that right there?
It's bet on you.
Who's that, Mr. Chick-fil-A?
Bruh.
Oh, man. You can't make this shit up, man.
And see, look, this is...
You got an L in there, was going to give you an L in St. Louis.
Oh my goodness.
It's the bet on you.
Bro, y'all see this?
I don't take a lot of...
He came out here, took all my money. What's that, 741 for 10.1 miles? Oh my goodness. Sam's Club, they is not playing out there today. Not at all.
So I'm here, so I got 3 more stops, basically. Right? 9.6 miles, $40 for 44 minutes. That's not bad.
No, that's
pretty good.
That's what I would consider a banger. And he got a new Spark account.
And I got it. Yeah.
And he got it before me.
You know what? I think this is my 50th order. I think this is 50. You said something about 50.
Yeah.
I think this is 50. I think I have 49. I'll have to look later.
Let's
see. Tote here.
You know, he got the banger order, so I got to go ahead and hook him up with the supplies, man. I would give him the wagon too, man, but dang, he taking all my money over here in his own. You know what? Look, it's all good. I'm glad that he's seeing some good orders out here, because it kind of proves my theory right, that once you get that introductory level of deliveries done, the Spark app kind of trusts you to do more sophisticated deliveries that the veterans may typically get. Now, I'm gonna have to put in some legwork, because bro's starting off hitting the ground running. So we're gonna see what we can get, but multi-app is the way. If I don't get nothing after too long, I'm turning these other apps on. Oh man, we ain't off to a good start at all. Bro just got him a $40 order going 9 miles, 3 customers. The order they sent me was not looking too great. Now, I'm happy that he got something, you know, it is what it is, luck of the draw, but the order they sent me, $18.31 for 12.2 miles. 3 customers. No, I can't make money on an offer like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually turn on DoorDash, turn on Uber Eats, and see if I can do something else, because I know he going to be on that order probably, maybe even for the full hour. And $40 is a great hourly rate, even if you deliver into 3 customers with the drive back time. And $18.31, that ain't gonna quite cut it for me. So I'm finna do something else with my time in this hour, and we'll see if we can kind of catch back up on the next hour. Oh, we got an order coming in right now. I may not have to multi-app. Okay, we got $11, 2.6 miles, Sam's Club, shop and deliver. Now let's see how many items on this. We got 4 items. You know what? I'm actually gonna go ahead and take that, and I'm about to pull over here and brag to Pedro, because he finna have to deliver to 3 customers and I get to deliver to 1. So you know what? I'm cool with it. Yeah, I'm tripping. I ain't even got, you know what? I was finna hop out and go brag, but I'm not even finna do it. I'm finna head over there. I'm finna just send him a screenshot through text messages, because you know what? I ain't wasting no extra time, and he might be waiting for me. I was finna hop out and talk to you for a second, but you know what? I decided I'm finna go ahead and head over. I got this order right here, $11 for 2 miles at Sam's Club.
Make that money.
Shopping order. Let me show you. Hold on. Boom.
Boom.
11 for 2. So, you know, I figure I can get this done and be back while you still delivering. All right. So there's a chance. So look, I only got 4 items on this Sam's Club offer, and it's going 2 miles. So if I play my cards right, I may actually be able to pull $40 off of the Spark app before he even makes it back. Because I didn't check the map on his deliveries, but I think I'm familiar with the customers he got. And he may be going 8 miles total distance out and have to drive 8 miles back, which again is still a great offer, but that gives me a chance to kind of make my way up to that $40 level that he finna be at after completing these 3 orders. And if he ended up waiting an additional 10 minutes for this order, he gonna get a couple extra dollars on there too. So while that will give me more time to kind of catch up, he gonna be at damn near $50 on the first order. Oh man! All right, guys, got our items. We heading up the road. Only got an 8-minute drive. It's 2 miles away. Now, if I had to guess, he probably got the groceries. He probably got them loading up, and he probably heading to customer number 1. Let's go. We got the first order done. Let's see if we can make it back and make our money back. Mr. Beto, you trying to take all my dollars, man, out here in Edwardsville. I seen this little live stream. He talking about I'm about to come take all FDA money, and you know what? On that first round robin drop, I think he kind of did. But you know what? We got a little redemption arc coming up. Let's see what we got. I got that one done. He probably just made it to customer number 1. So I think I think there's a good chance I can have a comeback. I can have a comeback on the rest of this hour. He may not get, he may not get back within a full hour. Who knows? Now, I did give him some of my delivery supplies, so he's going to have a slight advantage at getting one of these orders delivered quicker. But, I ain't being nice no more after this. That was all the niceness I had right there. I just made it back to Walmart, y'all. This is my round robin. $14.51, 9.9 miles. Oh my goodness, that's 10 miles? Nah, I can't do 10 miles. It's only 2 items. And it ain't even no highway on there, y'all. I can't do that. That's gonna be a decline. And see, that one would only put me at 25 bucks. And I know I wouldn't make it back in time for the round robin drop. And even if that order would have to pay me 25 bucks for me to take it. Because then I would at least be at 36 bucks. It would give me the miles 20 ratio I need. The item count is low, so that's good. But no, I would rather sit here for 20 minutes instead of taking that trip, because that's all gas money, basically. Oh man, it is not looking good, y'all. We just made it all the way back over here. I'm looking, trying to see if something gonna pop up. Listen, I think Pedro might have just played me. Is this a round robin? $7.41 for 10 miles. It ain't a round robin. This is crazy. This is crazy. Now, the good thing is, let me see. I can turn on Grubhub and DoorDash. Let me turn them on real quick, because I know he probably maybe at customer number 2 right now. Oh, okay. No, I ain't even got to. I just got that order I was waiting on. $19.24, 3.5 miles, shopping order. Boom, you see it. Let me go ahead and click on it. I'm glad they gave it to me. 17 items. They gave it to me as I was pulling up to the parking spot. I had just parked, and now I can pull right over here and knock out this shopping order. Let's go. I know they finna be mad at me. So now, if I get this knocked off before Pedro make it back, that'll at least put me close to his $40. Because this one will put me at like 31. But I need to get up in here, shop these 17, and get right back out quickly as possible. All right, guys, so we back in the car. We heading to our customer. The time is 12:37. I am running behind, y'all. I got a 8-minute drive to this customer. And if I had to guess, I think he probably on his way back to Walmart with them 3 drop-offs, and he got 40 bucks, and I got to complete this one just to get my 30. So let's just say, hypothetically, if he gets another round robin, accepts it at the round robin drop time, and then wait for them to come load the car, he may be heading out with his second order at about 1 p.m. So I need to focus on getting this one dropped off and getting back, and at least grabbing one more shopping order, because no telling what the dollar amount on his next offer is gonna be. But if I can at least get up to the next, get to 40 bucks on my next order, which I'm pretty sure I will, even if it's just an $11 shop, then that can put me in a position where got like an $8 tip on it. I think the base pay was about 11 bucks. It might have even been like 10 bucks with a higher tip, but I think there was at least $8 tip on this one. Normally I check before I confirm it, but since I'm out here battling for the most money, I'm moving as fast as I can. But with a customer like this, I'm like, okay, $8 tip, 3 miles away, I can do that all day long, because at least on the tip value, they are giving you 2-to-1 miles to money ratio. Check out this lake. Wow, look at that. They got that lakeside property. That's why they tipping like that. They got the lakeside property. Yep, we're going right here to not this 1, 2, 3, the 4th house off of the lake. Man, they really trying to play me. I just dropped that one off in my next round robin. $13.49 for 9 miles. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, we will not be taking that. We got like a 5-minute drive before we back at Walmart. We sitting at $30, maybe like 31. But bruh sitting at 40. So he probably got his next order already. Nickel and dime your boy. $7, 2.8 miles. No sir. See, the thing is, that's not a terrible offer, but you gotta think of it like this. Any offer that you accept, you gotta be willing to wait 30 minutes on it. Now, I'm not saying it's gonna take them 30 minutes to bring it out, but rule of thumb, if you ain't willing to wait 30 minutes on it, don't accept it. Because that $7, that's not gonna make me holler if I'm waiting a half an hour for it. So I can't do it. We gotta decline it. And look, that other $7 order still on there. $7, 10 miles. Oh man, $37.50 for 5 miles. Oh man, they giving him all the juice. They giving him all the juice. Oh man, look, I'm like 2 minutes away from Walmart, man. This is what I did not want to happen. This is the one thing I did not want to happen, y'all. This man just got another 40. I just had to burn gas for that 30 bucks I just made, and he just got another $40 order. Oh, man. Hey, he said he was about to come out here and take all my money. He was not lying. Oh, man, this is crazy. I'm about to pull up and see what's going on. Made it back to the parking lot. This man, he ain't made it back yet. I don't know where he at, but he just sent me that order. Man, He finna be at like 80 bucks in the first 2 hours. So I need something good to come through that. This same fucking $7 order still sitting on here. This is absolutely crazy. And look, the parking lot ain't even full. Look, all the parking spots empty. Ain't nobody up here, so that means everybody else probably got them an order for the last hour, including all the scammers and the bots. But it's all good though, man. We finna sit here and we finna see if we can get a shop or something. This is absolutely crazy. This man is killing me already. Where is he at? Because he sent me that, what, 3 minutes ago. So he got that order from far out. Damn, he got that order from far out, bro. That's crazy. Where's this man at, bro? He getting all the good orders. He said he's gonna come out here and take them all. And that is exactly what's happened. But I know one thing, Walmart Spark. You better send me good orders tomorrow when I go in his zone. Because this is something else right here. Back-to-back $40 bangers? I can't even be mad at it, bro. Look at that, man. Where is this dude at? He said he getting that money. Order $6.67 for 3.3. It ain't a bad offer, but nah, I'm not gonna take that one. If I'm gonna leave this Walmart, it's gonna be for a 10 or 15. It's not looking good, guys. We turned this thing on at 11:38. He got a round robin at 11:38. I did not. I got a Sam's Club offer like right at 11:50. He got his order dropped off, made it back, and got another $40 order. He finna be at like 80 bucks but when he make it back at the 2 hour mark, and I'm sitting at 31 bucks. It's gonna be very, very, very difficult to catch up. And I have not gotten any acceptable ASAP offers while I've been sitting here. Look, $13.49 for 9 miles, not happening. And that same Sam's Club offer on there. There was a $22 order for a different Walmart, but it had 15 miles on it. Like it's just not looking good, man. We doing a short challenge delivery shift today. So you know what? He may come out on top right now. He may. But that's okay though, because I know if we were working all day, it would even out and I would have a couple hours where I would come out ahead. So I'm calling it. He might actually beat me on this one, even though it ain't necessarily a challenge. It's like a test and research. But he probably gonna earn more than me this time. I don't know if my zone is favoring him because he switched over. He don't normally work over here. I don't know if he just got lucky and I just got unlucky. But what I do know is you can make money though. You can make money once you get past that 50 deliveries, because now he out of his little honeymoon phase on Spark. Bro getting bangers. He getting some bangers. And I usually see bangers like that. So maybe he taking orders I would normally get. Who knows? But it ain't over yet. We still got a little bit more time. Look at this crap, man. $13 for 10 miles at a different Walmart. And then this is $12 for 12 miles at a different Walmart. Yeah, man, these are all trash. This is all trash. If you a Spark driver and you getting offers like this and they don't have a timer, you don't even got to decline them. These are called ASAP offers right here. So at least if I ain't finna make no money, I can at least teach you guys how to navigate through the app. You know, you got your offers with a timer and ones that come without a timer. The ones like this that just say arrive ASAP, that's an ASAP order, a trash can, booty butthole order. We just ignore those. Every now and then you may see one that meets your parameters, but you're gonna get lucky. That's getting lucky. I'm waiting for that round robin with a timer. It is 1:06. He probably heading to his third drop off now. We finally got one. $17.14. I'm about to run up in here, get it done real quick. Get me up to 47 bucks. Woo! And he probably gonna be getting another order. Definitely losing this challenge. $9 for 4.5 miles at Home Depot. Listen, I'm not going in there and picking up no ladder or no damn toilet for $9. Man, $33. 25 miles, y'all. This is absolutely crazy. Ain't no way I'm taking that. That was the round robin offer they just sent me. I guess my dumb ass, I'm driving past Sam's Club, so they say, you know what? Hey, let's just see if you want to take this upside, you know, this crazy offer. 25 miles for 30 bucks? No, if you're not giving me 75 bucks, I'm not taking it. 3-to-1 miles to money ratio. Don't do them batched orders unless they make sense in your market. $15.43 for 5 miles. 3 customers. This is not good, guys. Look, here go big bro right here taking all my damn money. What you at, like 100 bucks already? 78. Man, look, that's pretty damn good. I'm sitting at 47 and I had to do 3 shops. Mileage wasn't crazy, but I was just like, man, I know he got another order already. So we calling it right here. I'm gonna let you know right now before we make it to Chick-fil-A. I did lose. I only made 47 bucks in 2 hours. Big bro kind of killed it out here. He only did 2 orders and he made 77 bucks. A $30 difference in the same 2-hour time period. So, you know, that just goes to show you right there. money can be made. You could be in the same area, working the same store, and have two different results. I'm pretty sure there's a Spark driver out here who probably got skipped over for both of those hours. But it's interesting. I want to see what the results going to be like tomorrow when we go up in Pedro's zone and see if I get the blessing orders. And if not, that's okay too. But we will see. Right now, I got to hit him with the boom. Who is that right there?
Just bet on you. I told you I was coming. Coming for the crown.
What would you say was the highlight of your day today?
Lunch with you, bro.
Okay, I heard that.
It's lunch with you.
I heard that. So being a new Spark driver, you got what, about 150,000 deliveries done so far?
I did, let's see, 51 deliveries. I'm brand new. I hit 50th was out here, and then I did another one. So I got 51 deliveries on Walmart Spark. This was the best 2-hour run I've had on Walmart Spark since I've been on it, and this isn't even my zone.
So would you say Trader had something to do with that?
I think so. Round Robin helped me out for sure. The Trader magic got sprinkled on my boy today, Mr. Bet on you.
So look, I'm glad that Big Bro had a positive experience with the Walmart Spark
Oh,
app,
yeah.
because that was my biggest goal today. Making sure that we can share the information that we have and make sure we help each other earn more money. So look, right now we about to sit here and eat this food, chop it up.
Who's that, Mr. Chick-fil-A? Oh, man. You can't make this shit up, man.
And see, look, this is why I love this phone. Look, you see what I'm doing?
Yeah, what do you mean?
You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm recording right now. So when I'm walking around and I'm holding it like this, you don't even see.
Walmart,
Yeah,
11:15, whatever.
for sure.
I'll take you down tomorrow as well in my time. I'm going to take
What?
2 W's, bro. You got an L in Edwardsville. I'm going to give you an L in St. Louis.
Oh my goodness.
Mr. Bet on you.
Bro, y'all see this?
I don't take a lot of
He came out here, took all my money.
I took another L's the last night.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.